Hi, I'm excited to share with you this morning Immersive Reader for Chrome. Up until now, it was only available through Microsoft Word, or it's a Microsoft product, but now it is available in Chrome, which is really exciting. So let me share with you how to find it and how to use it. So in Google, search for Immersive Reader for Chrome, and it'll come up like this. Use Immersive Reader on websites, and it'll say unofficial, but click on that. And when you do, you'll get this page, and it'll say over here, add to Chrome, which I already have it on mine, so that's why it says remove from Chrome. But add it to your Chrome as an extension, and then you get this little symbol, looks like this, like a book with a white page and a black page. And then it will be added up here to your bar. So from here, any website that you go to, let's say Dogo News. Those of you that know me know I love Dogo News. But you find any article, anything on the web that's like a page. So I'm just going to pick this one about the astronauts. So if you assign this to your students to read and get information from, let me show you what Immersive Reader can do. I'm just going to highlight the text on the page. I'm not just going to do that much. Right click, and then see that book? Help me read this. This is your Immersive Reader. Click on it. And voila, there is the text that you highlighted now inside of Immersive Reader. And if you want to get back to your text, you just click this exit button. It'll take you right back to Dogo News. So here's the beauty of Immersive Reader. Down here, if you hit this play button, listen.
Due to COVID-19, the class of 2020 is missing out on a traditional graduation.
All right, so it will read to your students. Over here, let's look at these other features. You can change the text size, make it bigger, make it smaller. You can change the text size. You can increase the spacing. So you can make it where there's a lot more white space on the page for those struggling readers. Change the font. Sometimes it's easier to read if it's in a different font. Some students need color overlays, so you could even change the background color to fit their needs. I'm going to put it back to white. Another feature over here are grammar options. So suppose you wanted to break these words into syllables to help them read a little better. So graduation's broken into syllables. Look at this. You can even change or show the parts of speech. Suppose you wanted to show students all the nouns. Now they're broken into syllables. What if I take that off, because it might get a little confusing, but now I want to show them the labels of the nouns and maybe the verbs. So nouns and verbs. All right, I'm going to take this off for now. And then the last one over here, line focus. What if you could break this into one line at a time for students to be able to read, or have it read to them?
However,
one line at a time. How cool is that? So back over here, you could have it 3 lines at the time, 5 lines at the time, or back to original. There's a picture dictionary that you can turn on. A picture dictionary that you can turn on. So like flight shows you pictures. If there's no picture, it'll
shuttle
pronounce the word for them. Station, so pictures when available. If not,
station,
it will say the word for them. You can translate. So suppose I want to translate the word in Chinese, I could, or I could do the whole document. So you can do Chinese. There's a whole variety here of possibilities. You can do, I'm going to get down here to Spanish. If you want to translate the whole document, voila, there you go. So Immersive Reader, awesome, awesome option for your students.